Welcome to the Dankamus channel. Today we're gonna go through some PK's finds. Let's start with the 80 Chevy El Camino in the green. Alright, got the green El Camino. Next up, we got the 82 Cadillac Seville. There's the base. Next up, we got the custom 68 Camaro. Alright, sweet car. Next up, we got the 62 Corvette. It's gray white. That's the Rio, got that base. Next up, we got the Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution. It's new white recolor. And then we got the new recolor of the GMC Hummer EV. It's green. Got the skateboard in the back. Alright. Next we got some Dodge. We got 92 Dodge Viper RT10. The base. We got the 69 Dodge Charger 500, which is the van. We got the 2020 Dodge Charger Hellcat. Gold wheels are sweet. Purple and gold. Can't go wrong. It's the base. Next up, we got the 71 Plymouth GTX. Has the Muscle Mania series. Next up, we got the Land Rover Defender 90. Had the Hot Wheels Hot Trucks series. Next up, we got the 57 Jeep FC. New for 2023 out of the Baja Blazers. Got Jeep Elephant 4-wheel drive. Next up, we got the new Ford F-150 Lightning Custom. Added a Hot Truck Series. Just the base. F-150 on the gate. Next up, we got the Ford Bronco R. Next up, we got the Tesla Roadster. Then and now. In the orange. Got Tesla on the back. Roadster on the plate. We got the 84 Audi Quattro out of the 80s set. Alright. Sweet little livery. Front tampos. Nothing on the back. Here's the base. Alright. Next up, 88 Honda CRX in the blue out of the J Import series. Sweet color. Taking that rear tampo. Kind of like this matte faded blue. Let's go. Alright, next up we got the Subaru WRX STI. Alright, next up we got the 89 Mazda Savannah RX-7 FC 3.5 in the black from the 80 series. Sweet. Front and rear tampo. And it's just clean black. Digging that. Alright, next up we got the Porsche 928 Safari. With the silver out of the Baja Blazers. We got the hella lights. There's the base. Unique car right there. Alright, next up we got the Porsche 935 non-super. Next up, we got the Lamborghini Reventon. There we go. We got the base. And last, we got the Bugatti Boulette. It's black and blue. Had a Hot Wheels Exotic Series. Ooh, look at the rear. Ooh, look at the front. Look at the base. Bugatti Boulette. All right. So those are the ones I found at the P case. Let me know what your favorite was. Always a fan of the Lamborghini, the Porsche, the Boulette, the new recolor, the CRX, the 2 Dodge. This purple's always nice. Let me know what your favorite was out of the set. Comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching.